scenes outside the court there in Johannesburg, listening to this matter, a big moment. And as you would have heard Judge Lebogang Modiba also lay out that if the relief was granted to the ANC, it would have been late for the MK to contest upcoming elections. And there were a number of issues on the electoral law and procedure that were outlined in that ruling that was given today.
Viva MK, viva!
We are still awaiting the MK party leader, Jabulani Khumalo, just to step outside and speak to the media.
I am over the moon. Justice has prevailed. We will contest these elections. Whether by a tanda, whether by a tanda, they are all going.
Tomorrow you're going to be in KZN for that court case where the ANC is challenging the use of